Hi, my name is Gary Albin. I'm one of the partners and worker compensation attorneys at the Accident Recovery Team at 221 South Topeka in Wichita. And I wanted to give you a little bit of information today about your responsibility to give notice of an injury to your employer. Kansas law says that in most circumstances you have 20 days, 20 days on the calendar to give notice of an injury that occurs to you. It has to be given to a supervisor or somebody who may have been specifically designated by the employer as the HR person or the person that you give notice to. If there's somebody specifically pointed out like that, that's who you should report it to. But if there isn't somebody specifically designated as the agent, then you need to give it to a supervisor or somebody who has some control over you. It's not good enough just to give it to a coworker or somebody who's sort of on the same level as you. Now, there's some nuances to all this. For instance, you have 20 days to give an injury if you're still employed by the company. If, though, you end up either being terminated or resigning for some other reason, all of a sudden now you only have 10 days to go ahead and give notice. So honestly, the key is if you have any questions about giving notice at all, the first principle is give notice as soon as you know about it to a supervisor or a boss or somebody at the company. Let them know what's going on. But the other thing too would then be to contact an attorney who's familiar with work comp and knows what the laws are in Kansas and will fight to get you everything you deserve. My partner Todd King and I have been doing this a long time, and we have 100% free, completely confidential consultations, and we can give you information about how to go ahead and report notice. Once you've given that 20 days notice, there's still one other step that has to be done, which is providing a written filing to the Kansas Department of Labor, which is the state agency that oversees work comp cases, and you have 3 years from the date of accident to do that. But with all of these issues, it's very important that you take steps, because the consequences, if you don't, can be very dramatic. Meaning, if you give notice on the 21st day, you're out of luck. You don't have a claim. There's no good faith exception. There used to be under the law where you could show that if you had a good excuse, you could be extended. That's gone away. So if you've been hurt, give notice right away as soon as you're aware of it to a supervisor or somebody there above you at the company, and then contact a good work comp attorney. You can contact Todd and myself at 267-TEAM, that's TEAM, and we'd be happy to kind of tell you what you need to do in order to get the process rolling and to get you back to good health. So that's all I had for today, but please feel free to contact us if you have any questions, and we wish you good luck and good health.